What is up, guys? Welcome back. This is Supreme Week 2 of the Summer Spring 2018. What I was going for was the tennis ball, but apparently FORCECOP, the bot, it crashed. The left browser, it crashed, but the right one was still going. Yeah, I don't know why I got that message saying off from FORCECOP. I don't know what that was. So I started it up again, and I got the same error message. That, you see the one I just pulled out, that's my manual browser, because you never could rely on bots. Like, it could help you, but you always have to have a backup just in case they don't work. Yeah, so I was going to this video and I just noticed what FORCECOP did to the update. Like, instead of putting it instantly, like all your information in, they type it in one by one, which like makes Supreme think it's actually a person. So if you put your checkout delay to 5 seconds, don't put it there, because you're already taking up time just making the bot just write it letter by letter by letter. The reason why I got that you can't use autofill or like any type of filling information for that is because I used filler, because it didn't have my information. If I would have just wrote my information, like my address, I would have copped it. But that's my fault because I used filler, which is not what I usually use. And then the other one is that it was actually the bot's fault because it was crashing, but I don't blame it because I was using 2 and my computer was like overheated, so it's not the bot's fault. Yeah, so don't use filler if you are using filler. And I took 2 L's. Let me know what you guys copped, what you guys didn't like about this drop, and if you are new, make sure to subscribe. I always do weekly videos about Supreme, sometimes about tips and tricks how to do stuff, so make sure to subscribe if you are new and like the video. If you guys are wondering, last week 1, the orders are still coming in because I just got mine and it was like a week that it took, because I got my package right now today, and the other 2 were like 3 days after. Like, I got one Saturday and I got one Monday. So yeah, don't worry about the packages. If you have a tracking number, don't worry, it's gonna come.